Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Audrey. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this everyday makeup look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at the description below. And if you're interested on seeing how I accomplished this look, please keep watching. Thank you. Hi, so I'm going to be using a brown eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild to do my brows. And now I'm going to be using my True Match foundation in Nut Brown to define my brows, just because it's not too harsh for my skin tone. Now using my eyebrow brush from Real Techniques to go in and even out and smooth everything out in my brow so I don't look crazy. Now using my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer to prime my face before my foundation. Now using my LA Girl Pro Conceal orange corrector to correct all my dark spots. I don't have that many, but it looks bad if you don't fill them in prior to your foundation. Now using my MAC Prep and Prime to spray and dampen my beauty blender. Next, I'm going to be using baby powder. Yes, I said baby powder. It always helps to keep my face matte throughout the whole day. I don't really have oily skin, but I just love a matte finish, so I always use this. For my foundation, I'll be using my MAC Pro Longwear in the color NC50. One good trick I always like to use when getting foundation is getting a full coverage foundation and just putting less or more of the product on depending on the coverage that you're looking for. Using a flat brush now, damp your brush and blend out your foundation. And don't forget to get your neck because nobody likes a line of demarcation. And now using my Maybelline Audrey Wine Concealer in Hazelnut, put it around your T-zone, your forehead, and your chin. And after that, I'm going to be using my LA Pro Girl Conceal in Fawn to go over everywhere that I went over with my Maybelline. And now blend, blend, blend because we gotta make everything look flawless. For baking, I'm going to be using my Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in terracotta. And with this product, I'm just going to put it directly on and not leave it to bake. I'm just going to press it into my concealer. With an angled sponge, I'm going to be going in with the terracotta powder and putting it under my cheekbone for my contour. For contour, I'm going to be using Black Radiance contour stick in the number 8003. Now taking my foundation brush that I used earlier, I'm just going to go over all of the spots that I had highlighted earlier. Sorry guys, I was talking about how much my mom is obsessed with Bruno Mars. Now using my Triple Play Lash Perfecting Mascara, I'm going to be going over my lashes. I don't really wear lashes that falsies that much because I don't know how to put them on, but when I learn, sis, we out here. Now using my Real Techniques brush, I'm going into my Revolution Vivid Highlighter and I'm just going to put that on there. I'm not going to do anything too crazy because this is an everyday look, but sis, put highlighter on to blind people. Now using a brown liner, I'm just going to go in and line my lips. For my lip color, I'm going to be using Nude from Ulta in the color Pink Chocolate. After applying that, I'm going to be adding my Fenty Gloss Bomb on top of that color. It's just a shimmery pink. And we're pretty much done. That's it for this look. Thanks, guys. Also, I created this unit, so if you're interested on seeing a tutorial on how I accomplished this sleek look, then please leave me a comment letting me know that you're interested in the video, and I'll post one soon. Thank you.